This is James, a hard-working family man. James has health insurance through his job, but like more than 82 million Americans, getting the care he needs is still too expensive. So even though James is concerned about the chest pains he's been having, he doesn't go see his doctor. What James doesn't realize is that 3 months from now, those chest pains will become a massive heart attack, and the healthcare system will have a much bigger problem on its hands. James won't be able to afford the huge bills that come with his hospital stay and might even be fighting for his life. As politicians argue about how to fix healthcare, data brokers work with health systems, helping them cover their losses by purchasing information like James's medical records. Brokers then sell this information for even more money to the medical industry and other interested buyers who need patient data from people like James to come up with the innovations that keep us healthier. There is a multi-billion-dollar industry dedicated to buying and selling James's data. But have you noticed? James isn't part of the conversation. We're here to change that.
CoverUS is an app that puts patients at the center of the conversation about their health data and lets them profit from it. We're building the most valuable health data asset in the world.
It's not just that people are struggling because they can't afford to be healthy. It's that their data is worth so much more when it's connected to them.
In today's world, having power is not just about economic means, it's also about having control over your personal information.
Healthcare companies buy data all the time, but because they leave consumers out of that process, it becomes difficult for those companies to market to those consumers. So what's emerged is a huge demand for an alternative to this traditional data brokering process.
We want to help everyone benefit from the value their health data creates, give the medical industry better data for clinical and commercial research, and build a huge global business.
The best medical care is when the doctor and the patient work together to prevent things from happening, catching things early. It's also incredibly cost-effective to prevent hospitalizations and other complications. And by the way, it's very important to protect the patient's privacy.
CoverUS uses blockchain and related technologies to help members monetize their data and to respond to offers from the health industry without worrying about their private, personal information being compromised. A few years ago, a business like this was technologically impossible. Now it's a preview of what the world is going to look like.
This is a multi-billion-dollar industry ready for disruption.
I invested in CoverUS because of its ambitious plan and very talented team.
Our team has empowered consumers through technology for decades, and now we're putting the future of personal data in consumers' hands, where it should be.
This business will change the world.
Now you can too.